You won't believe the insane superbikes Kylie Jenner would ride. First, the Ducati Panigale V4. Luxury, power, and style, worth $28,000. Next, the BMW S1000 RR. Sharp, smooth, and insanely fast, around $20,000. Third, the Yamaha R1M, carbon-loaded and track-ready, worth $26,000. Then, the Ninja H2, a supercharged monster with unmatched speed, around $32,000. And finally, the GSX R1000, smooth handling and pure performance, worth $18,000.